Welcome back. This is Dale with Computer Aftercare, and today I'm going to show you how to restart your Windows into the safe mode. And to do this, we're going to focus on this F8 key in your keyboard because that's the key you're going to press when you restart your computer to invoke the safe mode. Now, when you do that's important. You're going to restart your computer, at which point it's going to start coming back up. You're going to see like your black screen, your diagnostic screen, and that's when you start pressing the F8 key. You really only need to press it once, but the time window is pretty short when you have to press it. So I suggest that after you restart it, you just start pressing the F8 key about once every second. Not any faster than that because you might get a keyboard error. And what you should expect to see is a black screen that comes up with some options like safe mode with networking. At which point you will use your arrow keys to scroll down to the option you want and then press enter. And then it should boot up into the safe mode. Just know that you're going to have a different appearance on your desktop. The icons are going to look bigger and grainier, and that's for a reason because you're in the safe mode. Not all the drivers are loaded, and you're in a basic VGA mode for your video. So let's go ahead and get started. Now you're not actually going to see me press the F8 key. The keyboard you see in the screen here is just a picture, so I will tell you when I press it. So here I just initiated a restart. It's shutting down. Then it's going to come back up and I'm going to start pressing that key. Okay, so this is the screen you're going to see. Now I'm in Windows 7, so you'll see it's titled the Advanced Boot Options. In Windows XP it's going to appear a little bit different, but you're going to see basically the same options. Same with Vista and Windows 8. And here you can use your arrow key to scroll around. This is pretty important here to repair your computer, but that's another lesson. That's where you can actually get in there and do a system restore if you need to. Safe mode, that's pretty important, but if you want to be able to get on the internet, use safe mode with networking. For best results, you probably should use that one. So here I'm going to go ahead and press enter. And it's going to load the basic Windows files here. The boot process will look different than when you boot into the normal mode. You usually won't see this screen. And here we are up to the desktop. And this is pretty typical. Because you're in the save mode, you'll usually see this Windows Help and Support window come up. You can just go ahead and close it. And you'll see safe mode here in the corners. There'll be no mistake about what mode you're in. You are in the safe mode. Now, if you look at the resolution over here, you'll see we're basically about as low as you can go here and still be able to do things. If you need it to be bigger, especially if you're going to try to go on the internet, some websites or some browsers require you to be at higher than 800 than 600. So I'm going to go here to 1024 by 768 at least. And you can go ahead and click apply and OK. You can keep these changes for now. And at least you get some better screen space here. And that's pretty much it. You're in the safe mode. Now there's a lot of things that won't work. You may or may not be able to print. Not all your drivers are loaded. There's some programs that may or may not run in the safe mode. But you can at least get on the internet. And if you were doing this because you were infected or were getting some sort of error, your computer might have some breathing room and get a little bit more performance in the safe mode than in the normal mode when it was having its problems, and you can start troubleshooting, cleaning your computer up. Anyways, that's one of the best uses for the safe mode. I'm going to go ahead and boot back into the normal mode, and that's how you get out of safe mode. Just restart it, and it'll come back into the normal mode automatically. So Windows is starting up. There we go. We're back up to our normal desktop with normal resolution, and you should have all your features back available to you. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Dale with Computer Aftercare. Thank you, and bye-bye.